much has already happened in the first half, and the acceptance speeches have been on fire. Who got shouted out the most? Let's look at the numbers. All right, cast and crew are leading the way with 11 mentions. Moms are holding strong with 3 shout-outs. God, creator of the universe, 0 mentions. No surprise in this godless town.
¡Ayuden! ¡Ayuden! ¡Quiten a las muchachas de atrás! ¡Atrás! ¡Ay! 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 ¡Dios santo! ¡Ay! 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 ¡Qué pasó! ¡No sé, señora! ¡Por favor, una ambulancia! ¡Una ambulancia, por favor!
Some of Hollywood's biggest celebrities' homes have been burned to the ground in the apocalyptic Los Angeles wildfires. Anthony Hopkins' home is gone, as the devastating photos show the house before and after the recent wildfires. John Goodman's house has been completely destroyed, and all that now remains is his backyard pool. Miles Teller's $7.5 million dream home is another building which is now entirely wiped out. Paris Hilton says she watched her home burn to the ground on live TV, while Matthew Perry's home has been engulfed and Harrison Ford was forced to evacuate. The list continues to grow as Eugene Levy, Billy Crystal, and Adam Brody are also among those whose homes are destroyed, while dozens of other stars now face an anxious wait alongside their neighbors to learn if anything could be saved and to pick up the pieces of their multi-million-dollar homes.
Oh my God. Look at that, bro. Look at that house.
Oh snap. In it to win it. Oh fucking god, I got these tires, dude. Yeah, I'm not coming back this way. Good thing we're in your car.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles, California, the heart of the Golden State where dreams come alive. From the bustling streets of downtown to the scenic views of Malibu, experience the magic of Los Angeles.
Sandra, it's right here. I got everything I could.
I've noticed something a bit strange about these LA fires everyone's been tagging me. The first weird thing that I noticed is that insurance companies dropped fire coverage 3 months before the fire started. And many people have reported electrical wires from the power grid causing these fires. And of course, the water supply has been cut off. And don't you think it's a bit weird in this picture that all of the trees stay standing but the houses aren't? Of course, this is for educational purposes only and I'm not claiming anything. And then we go to Google and type in 2028 Smart LA City. What a coincidence they want to build a smart city in LA. And of course, it's a lot easier to build a whole city if there's no buildings there. Of course, this is just for educational purposes only, and I hope everyone is safe over there. Thank you.
The 3 Californian cities that will be affected by the Palisades fire next. Beware. Number 3, Santa Monica, with 93,000 residents, is facing a severe risk as the Palisades fire edges within 5 miles of its western neighborhoods. High winds of 80 miles per hour are pushing embers dangerously close to densely populated areas. Over 3,000 homes valued at $1.5 billion are in immediate danger, and over 250 firefighters have been deployed. Mandatory evacuation orders could affect 20,000 people in the next 48 hours. Number 2, Malibu. Malibu is already under partial evacuation as the Palisades fire burns through 2,921 acres, just 3 miles from the city's eastern edge. This affluent coastal city, home to over 12,000 residents, faces a major threat, with 1,500 homes near the fire line. Firefighters are struggling with containment as only 15% of the fire is under control. Number 1, Calabasas. Calabasas, over 1,200 acres of nearby vegetation have burned, releasing carbon emissions equivalent to 250,000 car trips. With only 150 firefighters and 50 officers on site, containment efforts are at risk of failing.